ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Volleyball Association. Haga arpusau terik gurumpang arajar arpusau kala punkup buram ya ki nong yelekai volleyball ki bala mikmat ya ka Southwest Khasi Hills District. Haga lempung yelekai 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 ka bala long Dangshan Hatura. Haga jing punkup buram ya ki nong yelekai la saki lang dau MLA jong ka Maukerwat constituency. Uba Renington lengdo tongkar ubala long kumukongsan. Working President jong Maukerwat District Sports Association uba YG lengdo, kakong Inser Paihun Karlengdo kawai na kitay ilakai volleyball, uba 11 Son Wanyang uba de President jong Volleyball Association, Vice President jong Southwest Khasi Hills District Volleyball Association uba forward man nongrem, bad kiway.
Ngi persangka ko terno ban berbot ikiwe andre play cuma ay kata kasap kami ginam na iban sukses kata di siap ikut ikiwe andre kano ko sa problema ay ni Hai tanya lebar but in non successful hak kata kesop play by player ni kilo tiba bed kilo tiba biang but ni but represent ya kaste tapi community berkata kanang yelong ha kabakunan kiu na kapos itu bagi bagi baru kita sebelum berber bahwa ini suatu ketika kita pun apa punya kenduk kibun kayak kalau ni serang dan yang terakhir tentang bagi fire manu banyak ini kabakut aku pun bah kejisran kalau dah mangihi lajong ihap daya dala daya.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center